How to set funny team name on Fantasy Premier League. Let's get started. Launch your Fantasy Premier League app, or also you can launch your Fantasy Premier League account in the web version. For this video, I'm going to use the web version. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now over here, you'll see the option of pick team. Go ahead and click on that option. You'll be directed to this page where you're going to find the team you had made. Now scroll down. At the right corner, you're going to find different sections. Under admin, you'll find the option of team details. Click on that. So over here, you'll find your team name. You can just remove this and then set funny name for your Fantasy Premier League team. Once you type in, you can also customize other options such as team kit. And once we're done, scroll all the way down. Now click on the option of update details. With that, the name will be updated. So this is how you can easily set funny name on Fantasy Premier League team. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.